How to install basement wall insulation. A triangular-shaped piece of appropriate insulation should be placed between the concrete slab and the exterior of the basement wall to create a slope and a platform for the basement wall insulation. The damp-proof membrane should be laid under the basement wall and the triangular-shaped piece of insulation. This should connect with the basement wall tanking membrane in accordance with the tanking membrane manufacturer's recommendations. A tanking membrane should be applied to the external face of the basement wall to prevent water entering the basement structure. The insulation board should be installed outside of the tanking membrane. A cavity drainage membrane or layer of washed no-fines gravel should be installed outside of the insulation boards. This relieves hydrostatic pressure and channels water to the foundation drain. The membrane or gravel should be covered with a geotextile layer to prevent fines from blocking the drainage material. The ground around the structure must slope away from the basement wall to ensure rainwater drains away from the building.